So now we're back again, and this should be the last video in the comments section. And if we go over here, we still have our own comments. Everything is working fine. You know, we have our own IDs. If you look at the bottom left of the screen, we still have our own comment ID down here, and display every comment dynamically. All right, basically we can go ahead now and create our own comments, delete-comments.php page, and we can start work with our own delete query. But for now, I want to just show you something. If we actually go a logout, we can still have our own comment down here. All right, so basically we don't want this to be here. This is like the list items that we did at the header, and here is the comments, and we want to grab this and we want to put it down here, and we want to save this. So basically this is like the asset that checks for when you have a session. So basically if you have a session, it will display those list items down here. If you don't, it will not display anything of those. So this was like we did this in the first couple of videos in the admin panel. So if we save this whole thing, go in right now and refresh, you can see that now the comments is gone. So we need to log in all over again. So we can go ahead now and start with our own delete. So if we click on comments, we remove this thing, and if we go over here, comments, and if we go new file, delete dash comments .php, and if we go over here, can actually post dash admins, and we can grab this thing down here. If we go and paste this, and of course we are going to be changing some things. So basically we're going to be changing the ID. If we look at status dash comments, sorry, not the status, show dash comments, down here we have our own, we have our own ID down here, and it refers to this page, delete dash comments. So all right, we need to be catching the ID down here, and we are gonna get the ID for this single item, and we're gonna go delete. The connection is already right there. All right, and we're gonna go delete from comments, where the ID is equal to our own handler down here, and the handler is already assigned to this ID down here. All right, so there is nothing else to do. So if we save this whole thing, yeah, we forgot we need to change this to comments. So we can go back right again to the show comments page, and this one's going to be also comments. All right, so if we save all of this, go ahead and refresh, and now we can go ahead and delete the comments with the comment with the ID of 1. We go delete, and now it's gone. Let's go ahead at comments right now, and you can see that the comment with the ID 1 is gone. If we go for 17, and if we delete it, you can see down here that now 17 is gone. So that's how you do it. Yeah, it's very repetitive. We did it like 100 times, and this is actually it for this video.